It's not mister. Just watch it. Keep looking at it. So these.
When they, like the last one will go like in between the four, like the four will
Oh.
split like two up, two low, and then the one will go
What's right in the middle?
Yeah.
Where they cut it back there? That's
Yeah,
what they do.
he'll do it there. He'll cut like in the middle of it.
So how is this one? There's like a seat to go back there,
Oh no, just a flight line. You just pretty much find a spot everywhere and stand it.
so you can just find your spot
Yeah.
and that's where you. Oh,
I think you're allowed to bring a small chair.
I see.
Yeah, not a big one, but it's so crowded in there.
I'm sure it
I
is.
think you guys were in there. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we were in there. We were in there for 4 or 5 hours.
Here it comes.